The three biggest changes for immigration under Trump in 2025 are going to be related to green card adjustment of status applications in the USA. Number two, asylum filings, whether you came over the border for affirmative asylum filing. And number three, visa processing, potential delays and administrative processing. In this video, I'm going to cover in great detail each one of those three issues. First, let's talk about this. Adjustment of status. Check out my other videos on how to do adjustment of status. That's if you came on an I-94 student visa, visit visa, and you are doing what's known as I-130 and I-485 marriage-based or family-based adjustment of status of an immediate relative. That's what you do it in the United States here. Those cases under Trump are going to face longer processing time. I know this because I've been doing it, and in 2017 to 2019, it was taking 1.5 to 2 years for adjustment of status cases, and all of those cases were getting interviewed. The big thing was when Biden came into office, he started approving a lot of those marriage-based adjustment of status cases without interviews. But now we're going to go back to that old policy where Trump is going to make people do interviews for I-130, I-485 adjustment of status. So be prepared. You're going to get a lot more requests for evidence. You're going to get a lot more notice of intent to deny. You might even get denials for sometimes bad reasons. Check out my other videos that talk about how to file an appeal and what to do if your case gets denied. So I-130, I-485, a lot more delays and a lot more interviews that are going to be taking place, sometimes 2 interviews, okay? And make sure you have a good amount of evidence to prove you're in a real relationship. Okay, now the second thing is affirmative asylum and defensive asylum. Let's talk about that. A lot of people are going to get interviewed really quickly. So you file your asylum case thinking you're going to be waiting around for 3 years, 5 years before anything happens. They're going to call you right away for an interview. So be prepared on your affirmative asylum cases. Even the defensive cases, people who came over the border, however you came in, and you're filing that case, you're an immigration court case, the judge is going to put a lot of pressure on you to be prepared and win your individual hearing, win that trial, prove your case, and so forth. All right? That's going to happen a lot faster, so be prepared for it. And if you lose, you better be prepared to file an appeal. Okay. Now, the last one is related to visa processing, okay? A lot of my clients were placed into administrative processing, 221G. There's like refusals where they actually had the interview, but they're not denied. That's going to take place a lot more as well under Trump. And make sure you're prepared. Go in prepared for your visa interview. Your DS-260 has to be perfect. Your evidence has to be perfect. Okay, guys? Just be prepared for those delays under administrative processing. Thank you.